What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is What's Up with Dr. Amboy Gishigi. If it's your first time in my channel, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. So today, guys, I want us to talk about affiliate marketing on Facebook. If you have any question, please don't hesitate to leave a comment and I'm going to respond as quick as I can. So when you're doing affiliate marketing on Facebook, of course, the first thing that you want to do is open a Facebook account. It has to be public, so you cannot open a private account when you want to do affiliate marketing, especially if it's Amazon affiliate marketing. If you opened your affiliate program with a different email than your personal email, if it's new, you open a totally different Facebook account. Also, the other thing is you can also open a page on your own personal Facebook account. So if you don't have a page, you can just open a new page and continue. So I'll just log into my Facebook. So nowadays Facebook is quite careful. So as you can see from my laptop, I had to confirm with my phone that it's me who is logging into my computer because I don't use Facebook on my computer often. But yes, so once you log in, this is how your personal page will look like. So the next thing you will do is open a public page, because in affiliate marketing, that is one thing that we need to do. It has to be a public place. You cannot post your affiliate links on your private page. So once you're on your page, you will come here, click the menu button, and then you will see this part where it says page. So you want to create a new page. So of course, if you come here, they will ask you to confirm details. If the page name, I would prefer you use the same name that you use for your Amazon affiliate marketing. Also, you can just use a totally different thing depending on what you want to market, just in case you open another program that is not Amazon. So that when you're posting your products or the product that you want to market, it does not limit you to Amazon products only. But if your username that you chose on Amazon is broad, like the one I chose when I was opening the account that I showed you guys, which was Pretty Little Things, you can just come and do the same, Pretty Little Things. And then it will ask you for category. For example, you want to do beauty, so you're going to say beauty products, beauty and cosmetic, personal care. Let's say, for example, is health and wellness. What else can we post here? We can post gym and fitness, etc. What else? After that, you click. You can enter a bio. Depending on what you'll be marketing, let people know what you want to be marketing. For example, if you totally don't have an idea of what to write on your bio, don't stress up. That is why ChatGPT came to help. So you go back to your ChatGPT, log in, and you can ask ChatGPT to write you a short bio. Make sure when you're writing your prompt, it is as specific as it can, so that ChatGPT will give you the right bio for your page. And just like that, you see, GPT has already written for us a bio for the page. So you just come, copy, and come back to Facebook and paste. So now we have a title, we have categories of what we want to post, and then we have the bio. I think that part is done. After that, you just create the page. Just give it time to load. And once it's done, it will give you this part where you're supposed to enter your contact. Could be the website if you have a website. If you don't have a website, you can just leave it and you can come and change your phone number here. So I kind of lost the page when I was entering the contacts, but I can still find it because I had already created it. So I'll just come to my profile and choose my page. Welcome to your new page. I just want to finish up making it as healthy as possible. So basically, you can either choose to add your contact details or you can choose not to add. If you don't have a website, you could have entered the website, this specific place. But if you don't have the website, you can just leave it. If you want to edit, you can always come about, and add any information that you want to add here. Basic information, you see it's all here. You can do that. Of course, no one will click a page that does not have a picture. So what you do, you'll go back to Canva. I hope you guys have watched tutorials on how to create your cover page and pictures on Canva. I did that when I was doing Pinterest, so I'll just go direct on Canva and try and create something so you can see. So once you're here on Canva, you start a design. It will tell you, of course, to log in. I already have an account. If you don't have an account, you can open an account with Canva. It is free and it's very easy to do. As you can see, once I clicked open a new, I don't have Canva with this specific email. So the best, once you log in, it is going to bring you to this part and you can choose what you want. They're trying to tell me to go pro. I don't want to go pro right now. So here I'll come and type Facebook. Make sure you specify what you want so that it can give you the right measurements. So the moment I say Facebook, it knows, and it's a cover page. So I'll just do that, and then it's going to give me templates on different things that you would want to post. You just come and choose whichever that you feel like would work for you. The moment you click on a template and you see this part, you know it's pro, it is paid for. But most of them, they're not paid for, but the good ones are paid for, unfortunately. But you can still find something to put on your page. Like this one is free, so I can just click on it. Then it will bring you here. You can either choose to check out if you might find something a bit more interesting than what we have here, maybe this one. Yeah, so because it's on health and beauty and such stuff, and then you click on customize, it's going to look like this. And here you can change anything you want. Anything you want. If you don't like this picture, you just move and put another one. If you don't mind it, just click back so that you can reposition itself. So just know anything that you want to change, even if it's the message inside here, you just click on it, double click, then write anything that you want. That is how easy Canva is to use. If you want to change the color, maybe it's this color, you just click on it. It will reflect here. You come and choose the color that you want. If you would like to leave it like that, like for me right now, I don't want to move anything because at the end of the day, I'm going to delete that page because I don't need it. So I just come and share, click share, then click download, then you just download it. As easy as that. And then I'll go back to Facebook and then add cover page, a cover photo, upload photo because I want to upload from my computer. Then come to downloads. It's the last thing that I downloaded. Open, and just like that, I have a cover page. Same thing with your profile picture. If you want to put your own, it's okay. If you want to put something related to what you're doing, you can also go back to Canva. As I said, make sure you specify what you want. In this case, we want a profile picture. So you put Facebook profile picture so that it give you the right measurements. As you can see, the other ones were broad, but these ones, they're actually on, the measurements are actually Facebook, profile picture measurement. So that is how you know how to choose. You can click on either that you like. This is pro, maybe it's this one that we like, but we don't want this specific photo. So you just come and customize. So I would not use this picture because it's someone else. So I'll just click on it and then hit delete. It will ask you if you want to delete image or you want to delete the frame. I want to delete the image. So you can just put it like that. Maybe I just want words, not a picture. So I'll click on here and then come and choose a color. So I'll choose white. Maybe I just want to have words only, maybe the title of my page. So I need a text box. So I'll just click text box. Then I shift it in. Then I write pretty little things. Here you can play with these things until you get what you like. I know you guys know better and you would make better designs than I am, but basically that is how you would want to do it. So after you just share, download, come back, and we want to upload. So upload a picture, upload. It's the last thing we downloaded. So open, come down and save. So now we have a profile picture, and we have a cover photo. So from here, now you can just play with this and make your Facebook as your Facebook page as healthy as it should be. For now it's saying fair, but you can fill all the details that they want until it gets full, so that Facebook can be, pushing your page to other people. You can also come here, write a welcome post, go back to ChatGPT, tell it to write you a welcome post. I need a welcome post for the same page. Like that, you can either edit if you want to, if you feel like it's enough information for you, well and good. So you'll come and, write here, add a post. Could be a photo, could be anything that you want, could be a message. It's up to you. So I'll just come here and copy and paste. And just like that, we'll write post. I hope you're together until now. Here you can choose whatever you want. It can be add button or not. And also once you finish creating your page, please invite friends to like your page so that it can grow and can become healthy. The more people follow your page, the more Facebook is going to push the page to other people. So make sure you invite people, post it on your WhatsApp so that people can follow your page, because you're not supposed to post your affiliate links on your WhatsApp, but you can post your page on WhatsApp and people can come direct to your page. So now that you are done, what we do is you'll go back to, let me just cancel this ones because we are done, and we'll go back to Amazon. You go back to Amazon Associates, just the way you post on Pinterest, it's the same way you post on Facebook. I want to sign in, then password. So let's say this is the one that you like. So you just choose the one that you want and you come and get a link. So just copy the link and come. You'll have to have a picture or a video of the product that you want. So unfortunately, you're not supposed to use these pictures direct because that is plagiarism to them. Yeah, so it is not allowed unless you post direct from here to wherever you want. Let's say, for example, it's Facebook. You can click Facebook and then come. The user does not allow that, unfortunately. So you cannot use it as that. The other option is for you to go back to Canva. Make sure you know what you're looking for. For this specific one is, for this one is a mask. It's a hydrating pore treatment mask. So you can come to Canva and search for face mask. It's going to give you designs and you can choose the one that you like. Of course, people will buy things from how they feel like it's going to be helpful for them. So in this case, make sure you choose something that is more informative if you cannot find the exact video. And let's say, for example, what can we choose from here? Let's choose this one. This is Pro, unfortunately. This is Pro, this is not Pro. You can come and either choose this one and customize, and you can post it. If you go to Canva and you cannot find something that you like, you can go to Pixel. It has free photos. You come here and search face mask. So unfortunately it's giving the wrong thing. Skincare. Yeah, so from here you can choose anything that you want. For these ones, they are not. Or let's say, for example, we want to market, let's look for something a bit more specific, vitamin C serum. So let's say probably it's this one that you want to market. You'll come and click on it. First, now because we have something that we like, maybe it's this one, you just come and download. It's the one that you want. Already it's downloading from here. You don't have to click anything from here. If you don't want a picture, you want a video, you can always click videos. And so that one is saved. people respond more to videos than they respond to pictures. So for Facebook, you can either use videos or you can use pictures. So if it's video that you want, you can click this one. Especially if you want to do it on TikTok, use videos more than you would choose pictures, and then come back to your Facebook page and let's post something. So once now you come back to your Facebook page, you'll just come here. What is on your mind? You want to post something, but you want to post a picture or a video. So you click here. It will go to your computer. I don't want to post the video. I want to post the picture. So I'll pick the picture one and then open. I'm sure it has already attached, as you can see. So here you'll come and go to chat what you want. Go back to Amazon first. Copy this. Go back to ChatGPT and paste that, and you can tell ChatGPT create a short title for my affiliate posts on Facebook. Add hashtags. Add two hashtags. Add two most relevant hashtags. So just like that, you have your title. So you just come and copy it, go back to Facebook and paste it here. And then you can enter. So you go back to Amazon and get your link. You copy it, then go back to Facebook here and then copy and paste. And remember guys, I said you're not supposed to put links on each and every single post. Otherwise, Facebook is going to ban you and ban your account. So it is once in a while is when you're going to put your link. And if people, just make sure you create very engaging content so that people can comment and ask, where can I get this? Where can I get this? Where can I get this? And then there you can put your link, your affiliate link on those comments, or you can pin your affiliate link on top of the comment section. But don't put the links in each and every single post. So after this, and you're done and everything, you can post. For affiliate marketing for Amazon, you're not supposed to boost your posts, unfortunately. I think others allow, but for Amazon specific, they do not. So after this, your post is posted. And like that, with time, people will be clicking on those links and going back to your affiliate account, and that is how you earn money on Facebook. So you can either post videos. The more consistent you are, the more you'll make money on affiliate marketing. It is not a one night thing. It will take time. You have to be patient, and you have to post as much as you can, as many times as you can in a day. Not too many, maybe 3 times or even 2 times. At least make sure you post something in the course of the day, and mix videos and pictures and any drawings, graphics, anything that you can, so that your page can grow. Because the more followers you have on your page, it means more people will be clicking on your links and going to your affiliate account. And yeah, basically that is how you do affiliate marketing on Facebook. If you have any question, please leave me a comment, and I'm going to respond to you. And yes, that is it for this video. Until next time, take care. Don't forget to subscribe. God bless you and goodbye.